It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Just want to show you a real quick tip. Prepping the outside is just as important as painting the edge and the inside. Because if you don't rough it up and give that glue something to adhere to, your fabric will not stick on the edges and it'll eventually peel up. So just really quick, go ahead and prep the inside where you're going to be wrapping it around your edges as well. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and smooth out these edges. You make it see where it's kind of like just overlapping a little bit with this Landau foam. Just get you a little bit of sandpaper. And we just scuff it slightly to kind of like sand it down even with this plastic piece here. So it won't overlap when you lay the material. That's one thing that's good about working with this Landau foam is that you can shape it and form it how you want it. good so far though. I get my heat gun and I heat it up. Alright, so let's go ahead and finish wrapping it up around the edges. I do some relief cuts. Of course, I do relief cuts here. Anything that got a curve, I always try to do a relief cut. Alright, so I already started putting the pieces back in. I'm not sure what color I want to go with. I got this the stainless with the little blue ring and it lights up blue. So I'm not sure which one I want to go with. So these here are what you call latch switch. You have a monetary and a latching switch. So in this one here is black and it got like the gunmetal on the inside. So I'm not really sure what I like. Hey, so you guys, hey, if you know which one I should go with, I'm just, like I said, this is just testing. So let me know what you guys like. And maybe I'll let you guys choose which one you like the best. You like the blue one? I'm kind of digging. I like the dark with the gunmetal, but that's silver, and with the blue, it kind of matches the color scheme. I don't know if you see that. This is the other piece here. I also painted my screws. Put those in there. Get that started. And go in there like that. Right. I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. I'll turn you guys back on in a second. All right, guys, so here she is, man. Start to finish, only took us 2 days to do all of this here, man. I'm very happy with everything that I accomplished with these 2 days, man. Couldn't be more happier, man. The color scheme is dead on. Matches, it's gonna match the truck perfectly. This is gonna be the color of the interior. So this, like I said, is a 2005 Ford Focus, I believe. Center console, you guys saw I actually shortened it, cut it up, actually repainted the center part here, the gunmetal. I made me some plates here to cut it off and also put my switches. And I'm really digging the silver and blue. I thought the black would go good in there with the little black accents, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do the black and the silver and blue. I think those are going to turn out really well with the accents. Also, you see I also notched here for my windows, my electric windows up and down. I notched a hole there and put my windows there. I mean, it actually looked like it was made for this console already. I already made my brackets that you guys saw that in previous video as well. Man, I'm telling you, this is awesome. I'm just digging it a lot. I will have to wrap my console latch here, but that's no problem. I'm trying to sew that part, but you guys tell me what you think, man. I'm very happy with everything. I think she turned out awesome, you know. Make sure you guys leave lots of comments down in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you like the color scheme, you like the idea that I had, I think it turned out great, you know. All right, crew, so there we go, man. I know I'm looking a little rough here, man. I'm trying to grow a beard. Since I got out of service, I've never been able to grow a beard or anything like that, or big old, getting a little roughy here, man. But anyway, it is what it is. So thanks again for hanging out with me, guys, in the garage, putting together this console for the custom 55 Chevy pickup truck that we're doing, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And also hit your notification bell. Make sure they're turned on so you get all the latest and greatest videos from me as soon as I post them, man. So like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I definitely catch you guys on the next video. Peace.